大家好，歡迎翻到嚟我嘅 channel，我係 Polly。如果你嚟咗澳洲生活一段時間呢，就會發現本地人講啲英文同你喺學校學嗰啲完全唔一樣嘅，尤其係年輕人講嘅 slangs，根本聽唔明佢講咩。咁今集咧我就幫你整合咗15個實用又搞笑嘅 Gen Z Aussie slangs。咁 Gen Z 咧就係個 generation 1997至2012年出世嘅人啦。
I am old.
How old are you?
16. I'm my grandmother.
咁 Gen Z 講嘅 term 咧，真係同我哋有啲唔同嘅。咁 by the way， 我哋爭2年啫。咁記得睇到最後啦，我有幾個 extra 嘅 Gen Z terms 要考下你。第一個 dog 喺澳洲咧 ，dog 唔係淨係形容一隻狗或者狗嘅意思啦。如果有人話你 you dog me， 又或者 your dog， 意思係咧你出賣咗佢啊，又或者你做咗啲唔中意嘅事，例如咧就放人飛機啊，出賣朋友仔咁樣。咁例如啦 ，I can't believe you went without me, you dog， 即係意思 ，Oh my god， 你出街唔預我 ，you dog。好。咁第二個 dodgy， 咁 dodgy 你可能都會成日聽噶啦，咁就形容一啲可疑啦、唔可靠、壞咗嘅嘢。例如一間餐廳好污糟，你唔放心食咧，就可以話That place looks dodgy。又或者咧，你行過條街啦，覺得夜媽媽見到啲人奇奇怪怪咁，你可以講 That street looks dodgy. I don't want to get in there。咁第三個 bludge， 咁 bludge 即係澳洲人講偷懶或者 hea 住唔做嘢咁解啦。例如你翻工 hea 住唔喐咧，就可以話佢 He's bludging off work。咁學生咧都可以話 bludging at school。例如 He's always bludging and never does his part。佢成日都偷懶嘅，成日都唔做佢自己要做嗰 part 嘢嘅。第四啦 ，chuck a Yui。chuck a Yui 係澳洲人形容要掉頭 U-turn 嘅意思。例如啦 ，I missed the turn，I'll just chuck a Yui。揸車 miss 咗喺度轉彎，咁我而家 take 個 U-turn 啦。第五個 ，What's that got to do with the price of fish？ 呢句咧幾有趣嘅，直譯就係同魚嘅價錢有咩關係？即係你講緊啲唔相關、唔 relevant、無關痛癢嘅嘢啦。You're talking about your weekend, but we're talking about work. What's that got to do with the price of fish？ 你就講緊你嘅假期，我哋就講緊返工嘅嘢，咁有咩關係呢？第六個啦 ，calm your farm 都幾有趣嘅呢一句嘢。calm your farm 嘅意思就係冷靜啲，唔好咁激動。有時你見到啲人好嬲嘅，或者講嘢好激動咧，就可以同佢講 calm your farm mate。I'm just joking, calm your farm， 即係 calm down 嘅意思啦。第七個 yeah nah nah yeah 呢個超級 confusing， 但係成日都聽到嘅 yeah nah 即係唔係，即係聽過 nah 嘅意思啦，係一種好澳洲式嘅拒絕。而 nah yeah 即係，不過咧就好似否認咗，然後再回答。咁例如你會聽到 You wanna come tonight, mate? Yeah nah, I'm tired。唔使啦，我有啲攰。Was it fun? Nah yeah。It was alright, OK 啊。咁咧佢哋咧就好中意即係講咗個相反詞，然後先講真正嘅意思。例如 yeah nah， 你可以 get 嘅意思就係 nah 唔係。如果佢講 nah yeah， 即係等於 yeah， 純粹咧佢哋澳洲人講嘢咧係比較婉轉少少嘅，咁所以咧俾少少耐性，咁你就開始會聽得明究竟 yeah 定係 nah 啦。第八個 munted 即係可以形容係一啲壞咗啦、爛咗或者醉到唔得嘅情況。例如你部手機跌到爛晒啦，又或者有人醉到行唔到路，就話 He's so munted。I dropped my phone. It's totally munted。壞咗、超醉嘅意思。第九個 as 即係喺澳洲 slang 入邊咧係有另一個用法嘅。例如咧你形容一啲嘢好 extreme、好激烈咧，就會話 hot as、funny as、tired as。但係後邊係唔使加嘢嘅。我明有啲 term 咧係 It's cold as Oh my god, this guy is funny as but without funny as 嘅意思咁解，即係形容超搞笑、超 funny 咁解啦。第十個 knackered， 咁 knackered 即係代表好攰、超攰嘅意思。
I'm so tired, but also hungry。
咁澳洲人翻完一日工之後咧，就成日都會話 I'm absolutely knackered， 直頭超攰啊！I work a double shift, I'm knackered。翻咗2間，超攰咁解啦。第11 reckon， 咁澳洲人咧好中意用 reckon， 即係等於 think 想法或者覺得嘅意思。Do you reckon it will rain today？ 你覺得會唔會落雨啊？例如 I reckon this is the best coffee in town。我覺得呢個咖啡係最正嘅。第12啦 full on。 Full on 即係形容超激烈、超多嘢，唔係淨係講食物㗎。咁一個人工作好忙或者一件事好誇張都可以講 It's full on. That party last night was full on. 即係形容琴晚嘅 party 咧超激烈、超正。Wow！ 第13啦 ，feral。feral 本身咧就係講啲野生嘅動物嘅。咁但係咧澳洲人會用 feral 去形容一啲人比較邋遢啊、冇品或者行為有啲粗魯或者粗嘢嘅。例如 He turned up drunk and barefoot, so feral。佢最後咧又醉晒啦，又赤腳行路啦 ，so feral 有啲邋遢啊咁解啦。第14啦 ，hips， 我可能之前條片都有講過嘅。咁澳洲人咧就好中意講 hips 嘅意思，即係好多。I had heaps of fun，that's heaps good。咁啲後生仔就會講，哇，超正，勁中意 ，very good 咁解。Thanks heaps mate，thanks a lot，thank you very much 咁解啦。咁第15啦 ，that set。that set 可以用嚟表示你講嘅嘢係真嘅，絕對認真嘅。例如你唔信某樣嘢，但係好想證明對方你講緊真話啦，就會話 that set is that set the best burger I've had。我即係絕對認為呢一個 burger 係我食過最好味嘅。that set 嘅意思即係一啲好 determined、好認真，即係加倍認真咁解啦。咁講咗咁多 Gen Z terms， 你又認得幾多個呢？咁不如嚟個小挑戰啦！咁我而家會講 extra 3個 Gen Z terms 啦，唔會話俾你知點解。我哋再喺下條片再揭曉答案。咁準備好未？第一個你可能成日都聽嘅 sus， 可能會形容一樣嘢或者一件事嘅。第二個 op， 如果你有打機啊，或者你覺得見到差唔多類似嘅英文呢，就係㗎啦。第三個 body count， 咁呢可能一班人一開始熟絡咗，一班 friend 一齊傾，喂，你 body count 係幾多啊？如果你哋識咧，就話俾我知你估下覺得係咩啦。如果你想繼續學一啲搞笑輕鬆 Gen Z 嘅英文咧，就記得 like、subscribe 我嘅 channel。咁我哋下條片再見啦，拜拜。